8 Steps to Create a Better Preventive Maintenance Strategy, Part 2. Preventive Maintenance. Preventive maintenance is maintenance regularly performed on a piece of equipment in working condition to reduce the risk of it failing. There are two main types of preventive maintenance. First, time-based preventive maintenance is when tasks are scheduled on an asset at a certain time interval, such as the first of every month or every 7 days. Second, usage-based preventive maintenance is when work is scheduled based on the operation of equipment, such as after 1,000 miles or 10 production cycles. Condition-based maintenance. In condition-based maintenance, the performance of an asset is monitored to determine when maintenance needs to be done. CBM uses certain indicators, like increased vibration or heat, to catch the point when failure begins, but before it leads to a breakdown. Predictive maintenance. The difference between predictive maintenance and condition-based maintenance lies in measurement and timing. CBM uses real-time performance data to point out a problem after a machine begins to fail. On the other hand, PDM takes all information into account and offers an ideal time for maintenance before any failure. Prescriptive maintenance. Prescriptive maintenance takes predictive maintenance to the next level. It uses condition monitoring and machine learning tools to predict when to do maintenance, but it also lays out exactly what kind of maintenance to do to help that piece of equipment perform better for longer.